Let me see. He wants to go. No, you see, he still wants me to go right because he doesn't want me to take this road. He thinks weight restrictions. Let's see. Ah, yeah, he's actually right. Yeah.
What?
Yeah, there is a 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. weight restriction.
What's the time right now?
It is just before 7. And I think it's because of noise sensitive, you know?
Yeah.
There's not a road, but noise, like a big weights, they know big engines make noise. There's a lot of houses. But the thing is that the next, you know, the street where it takes me, it's actually more houses, you know? But just because there is no restrictions. So, matter of legality, basically. So next time I know why, and I will follow the GPS.
We're already a few minutes off 7 though.
Yeah. You see this sign here, look.
Ah, yes.
Is it? I'm authorized though, because I'm waste management. You see? I have to collect the rubbish. I have to collect the rubbish in this area, so authorization granted by council. See what we have here. 1 or 2, I think Saturday only 1 bin. Yes, good, lucky. Yeah, this one will do it just from inside. The next one can check the outside.
Okay.
Because stays there a bit longer.
Okay.
Usually, see, I have to get that one as well.
Okay.
Sometimes depends. Sometimes this one and sometimes that one, depends. But that one, when it's full, I have to be careful because it's a heavy and it's uphill to push it. It's good muscle, good workout. Tell you, keeps you fit. So now power cables here. Always every site run a bit of a risk assessment. I mean, because I already know it. But you never know. You might go to the same site and they done some work. New cable. So always make a risk assessment when I'm approaching a new site. Obstacles, overhead, right, left, behind, top, below you. Everywhere, man. Like, you know. Done. Splash one.
How windy it is.
Huh?
Look how windy it is.
It is quite windy. That's good. It's gonna be a beautiful day. I might go to the botanical gardens later on. Take a nice video in the botanical gardens. What do you reckon?
The wind would drop off.
Yeah. For a walk or whatever we feel like. Don't know.
Yeah.
What do you reckon later? We'll go to Brisbane City, grilled,
Beautiful. Ooh.
botanical gardens, nice walk,
Walk, yeah.
and then we can go somewhere else new as well. If you think, I don't know though.
It's delicious.
Like to visit something. I don't know, but I don't know where. You will have to tell me.
I don't know where either, but I know it's not the city.
I mean, you're probably more experienced than me.
Not in the city.
No?
No. I've explored it as much as you have, apart from
What about
nights dancing.
around the city, around Brisbane, countryside, anything that is worth going? Or no, not really.
I mean,
For later on, we can go to the city and later do some. I will see. Anyway, as long as it's a beautiful day, we enjoy it. We stay together. That's the main thing. You see?
yeah.
Right on. So.
Route recalculation.
Some people are very nice, they stop, and some people like the pickup there. No, just went. Nice guy. Thank you.
Prepare to turn left after 850 meters.
Big truck, semi-trailer coming in, construction site. This is a Kenworth T209. So we turn right here. Stay green. And he stays.
300 meters, turn left. Take the next left.
Look at this door.
Where?
You see it on the building?
Is a
Like
dog?
Wood door.
Ah, wood door. Yeah, that is an African door,
For real?
and is I think particular of Zanzibar. Zanzibar Island, where Freddie Mercury, by the way, was born.